Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add custom emojis on Fluxer. So you must have the necessary permission within a community. So if you are a owner, this is not an issue. So now what you are going to do is navigate to your community and click on the community name here at the top. It will open up this kind of menu. So right here you will see community settings. Click on it, and now here on the left you will now see a much more precise menu. So we will select here custom emoji. Now what you need to do is so you can upload image in JPEG, PNG or GIF formats, and you need to give an unique name, so it needs to be at least 2 characters long. So let's say I will take one picture here. So I will take this one and I will do it like dog. Okay, emoji slot, dog. Sorry, I didn't see it right here. So right here I will change it to dog. I can do it K9, just like that. So now if we go back to our community here, and let's say I want to send message, here at the right side you will see this icon. So this smiley here is our emojis. So click on it and you will see right here under this photography we have this kind of emoji, and right here it is now available basically for the whole community. So this is it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.